between a character and a string is character is always represented by only a single character, in which in strings we can able to use sequence of characters such as Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Suriyas Academy. If you are new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the tokens in C. A token can be defined as the smallest individual unit or element of a C program. Considering a small passage of text, a very small punctuation marks, everything is called the tokens. In C, there are 6 types of tokens, which is called keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, special symbols and operators. In this video, we are going to define each and every type of a C token, and then with an example, we can understand the particular C token type. Now, first topic is keywords. The token can also be said as the basic component of a C program. In this, the first type is called the keywords. When defining keywords, it can be defined as a predefined or reserved word which gives special meaning to the compiler. That is, it is a predefined word, that is, it has a fixed meaning and we cannot be able to change that particular keyword. It can be used only in the C program as it is said. And it has 32 keywords in C. Some examples are auto, case, float, double, integer, etc. These are called the examples of the keywords. There are 32 keywords available to use. And then next comes the identifiers. Identifiers are nothing but the user-defined names given to a function, array, and that is a variable name which we can able to represent a function or a array, etc. It consists of a sequence of digits and letters. It can be of any name, integer sum or integer balance. That sum and balance, that is the integer sum here represented, double balance, the sum and balance are called the identifiers. The only condition is the first letter, the identifier's first letter should be always a digit or a underscore, and only 31 characters can be or allowed, that is, it can be identified by the compiler. This is the only case, and the name should be unique in the program. These are called the identifiers. It is user defined and no keywords can be used as a identifier. That is, integer sum here, for example, integer float or integer double, that particular keyword should not be used here. That is the identifiers. And then next comes the constants. As the name defines, it has the fixed value, that is, the values remain the same throughout the execution of the C program. Whenever a particular constant is defined, it remains the same. During the execution, the value will not change. Here we have 4 types of constants, that is, integer constant, floating point constant, character constant, and then a string constant. Just with a small example, very simply explained. Integer constant, as the name defines, it consists of only integer values. It does not have any floating point values, that is, decimal values are not allowed here. Example 195 minus 321, etc. That is, it will not contain an exponential part also. Floating point constant, as the name defines, it contains the exponential part, that is 0.0075. The decimal points are allowed here. Only decimal points are allowed here, not the whole number. And then 3.18 E5. Here this 3.18 E5. This 3.18 is called the Mantis part, and then E5, this is called as the exponential part. And then next comes the character constant. Always a character constant is represented by a single character enclosed within the single quotes. Example, B, E, S. Only one character is allowed in the character constant. And then string constant. Sequence of characters are allowed in the string constant and it is always represented within the double quotes. Example, hello, welcome, etc. So these are all the 4 types of the constant which you must know. And then the 4th type consists of the strings, which is nothing but the sequence of characters terminated with a null character /0. That is, always the strings are represented by the sequence of characters terminated by a null character. It is stored as an array of characters. For example, here character str, this is the string name, that is the array name str of 20. 20 is nothing but the array size 20 equal to hello. This is the value, string value hello stored in the array character string str of 20 with array size 20. It is stored here. Using these strings, we can able to use the built-in functions such as string length, string copy, strlen, which is used to find the length of the string, and then string copy, which is used to copy the string. These are all the built-in functions which can be used. What is the difference between a character and a string is, character is always represented by only a single character, in which in strings we can able to use sequence of characters such as words hello, welcome or whatever thing. This is called the strings. And then the 5th type, next comes the special symbols. That is, characters that have some special meaning and this cannot be used for any other purposes other than in C program. That is, examples, open and close brackets, open and close parentheses, open and close braces. These are all the some special symbols which are used in the C program. And then the last one comes the operators. Operators are nothing but the symbols that represents operations to be performed on operands. Here we should know the difference between what is an operator and what is an operand. Consider this example. The operators, various operators are represented as plus, minus, asterisk, slash, less than or equal to. That is, in operators there are different type of operators: relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators. We will see all those things in the upcoming next videos in details. Now just I had represented what are all the operators, general operators. Consider this example, C equal to 3 plus 5. In this example, the value of 3 plus 5 will be stored in C. Here the plus symbol is represented as a operator and this 3 and 5 are called the operands. That is, the plus operation is performed on the operands 3 and 5 and the value is stored in C. That is the difference between an operand and the operator. Okay, in today's video we had discussed about tokens and its 6 types such as keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, special symbols and operators. Now everyone can know about the each and every definition and its different examples. I had explained it in a simple way. If you find this video really useful, share this video with your friends. Make a small appreciation comment. Thank you in the comment section. Catch you all in next video. Keep supporting Sai Suriyas Academy. Thank you.